Okay, students, let us see working principle of PMMC instrument. How does it work? Okay, it basically works on D'Arsonval moment. These instruments works on the electromagnetic effect. A permanent magnet is used to produce magnetic flux, and a coil that carries the current to be measured moves in this field. Okay, as the pointer is connected to the coil, it gets deflected in proportion with the current. See, internally any instrument, PMMC instrument, that is permanent magnet moving coil instrument, is internally constructed like this. Okay, upper side a scale is there, then pointer is there, then permanent magnet is there. Internal construction, there is a core, soft iron core, rectangular coil is there, and to let the current in to the coil, we have two springs. Now let us see working principle. The working principle is based on basic meter moment, that is Arsonval principle as stated before. When current passes through the coil, a deflecting torque is produced. This deflecting torque is produced due to the interaction between magnetic field produced by the permanent magnet and the magnetic field produced by the moving coil. As we have seen in the figure, there are two magnetic fields, one which is produced due to north-south pole and second which is produced due to the current flowing through the coil, and the surrounding area around the coil will carry that magnetic field. Due to this, torque coil deflects, and this deflection is directly proportional to the current flowing in the coil. Okay, so due to the interaction between the two fields, torque is produced which will make the coil to deflect, and for how much time that coil will deflect is directly proportional to the current flowing in the coil. Okay, next, the pointer attached with the coil indicates the magnitude of the quantity being measured. Another torque is also developed which is called as controlling torque. So this torque helps to stabilize the pointer. When controlling torque will become equal to the deflecting torque, the pointer attached with the scale becomes stable, which is obtained at equilibrium. Okay, so this spring torque and deflecting torque both should become equal, so that pointer will be at the equilibrium position, that is when it will become stable. At that time only we are able to take the reading. Okay, so in this way, basic meters consist of galvanometer internally, which in turn operates on D'Arsonval moment. So we are all familiar with voltmeter. It is a high resistance galvanometer. It is used to measure the potential difference between the 2 points in volts. Okay, so how a galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter? What we have to do, we have to just connect a high resistance in series with the galvanometer. The value of resistance will depend on the range of the voltmeter. For voltmeter, a high resistance R is connected in series with the galvanometer. Okay, means what? A high value of resistance should be connected in series with the galvanometer, so that we are getting voltmeter. Okay, these are the diagrams of voltmeters, analog voltmeter. Internally they are consisting galvanometers, okay, which are again working on the principle of PMMC instrument. Okay, so we have concluded this part of PMMC working principle. Next lecture will be seeing D'Arsonval moment in detail. Thank you.